How to fix verification code not received. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix verification code not received problem step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the fix number 1, that is to check the network connection. So first, make sure that your phone has a strong mobile signal or a stable Wi-Fi connection because poor network can delay or block the verification message. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 2, that is to wait a few minutes and retry. So sometimes a code is delayed. So what you have to do is simply wait for 2 to 5 minutes, and after that you can simply tap on resend code and avoid requesting codes repeatedly. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 3, that is to check spam and blocked messages. So you can open a message app or the mail app, and there you can simply check for the spam and blocked messages folders. And there you have to make sure that the sender is not blocked there. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 4, that is to check phone number format. So confirm that your phone number is entered correctly, including the correct country code. Because if your country code has been inputted mistakenly, then you might not get the verification code. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 5, that is to restart your phone. So restarting your phone can fix a temporary problem of network and system issue, so you might go with it as well. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 6, that is to turn off do not disturb mode. So here, always make sure that do not disturb or focus mode is turned off, as it may silence verification messages. And with that, moving forward to the fix number 7, that is to clear message app cache. So here you can simply go to the settings, and from there you can simply go to the apps and manage apps, and from there you can simply go to the storage section of that particular app from where you are getting the verification, and from there you can simply clear out it cache. Like here, for example, if it is from the messenger, then what you can do is simply go to its app settings, and from there you can simply clear its cache. And that's it. That's how you can fix the verification code not received issue. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.